Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved. But you ain't even flexing.
Hello beautiful people. This seems a little off. I'm just gonna see if I can brighten it up a bit. Okay, it's a little bit too bright. All right, but why am I looking like I'm sick a little bit? Anyways, it's been a minute. How y'all doing? Hold on, now I think it's actually auto adjusting and I'm getting really washed out. Anywho, welcome back to the channel if you are a returning subscriber or supporter of mine, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Tahita. I'm a compliance analyst. I also am a content creator here on YouTube as well as on Instagram and on TikTok. Your girl is trying to hop on TikTok. But anyways, welcome y'all to another vlog. It's been a minute since I actually sat down and recorded in here, I guess, because I have been going through it. If you guys watched the last vlog, you will know that I was back home in Belize and I went for a funeral, but even though I went for a sad reason, it was exactly what I needed. It was exactly where I needed to be, and I was debating on whether or not I was gonna go because the tickets were super high. And something in me was like, you can't, it don't matter, pay the price. Like, and I went and I literally, I needed it. I absolutely needed it. But now I'm back and I'm preparing for the original trip that I had planned on going on. So I will be on vacation in, matter of fact, next week this time I will be lounging on a beach somewhere. I'm excited about that. I'm really excited about that. But I do have a lot going on this week. So right now I'm prepping. It is Thursday, so I am starting this vlog off real late. But I'm prepping because I have a wedding to go to tomorrow. I'm actually waking up really early and shooting some behind the scenes shots for that. And then I have the wedding, and then I have an event that I'm going to, a family friend party, housewarming thing that I'm going to on Saturday. Sunday I'm planning on maybe grilling. I might ask someone to light up the grill and make some keeping it simple. Might do some wings, but burgers, links, hot dogs, stuff like that. And then yeah, I might do that on Sunday, and then Monday I have a full day, Tuesday I have a half day, and then I am off on vacation officially on Tuesday. So anywho, child, I'm prepping right now. I did wash and blow dry my hair this morning, so that's why my hair is wrapped and tied down. And then now I'm about to wax my brows and tint my brows, and then we're gonna move on to lashes and then nails. So yeah.
You ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.
Guys, so I end up doing my lashes, and I use these B&Q cluster lashes. So bomb. I'll try to have everything that I used linked down below. This is like the third or fourth time that I've tried this henna, and honestly, I don't know if I like it. I just feel like because the areas that I want to be tinted are so sparse, I probably just need to focus on that and only that, and just deal with it, because right now I feel like this is probably gonna wash off in a day. Yeah, I feel like this is probably gonna be washed off in a day or two, and I'm gonna be back to filling in my brows anyway. But yeah, right now I still have my hair in some twists under this wrap. I'm finishing up with work. I have 1 hour left, and then I'm going to and then I have tomorrow off. I have to prepare for tomorrow, so I have to charge my camera, get my lenses, make sure those are clean, and all that good stuff, because I don't know if I mentioned I'm going to be taking some behind the scenes photos of this wedding tomorrow. So yeah, that's why I was doing the eyebrows, lashes, and I'm gonna do the nails, because tomorrow is the wedding. Tell everybody from last year that saw you in Spain hello. You remember when you was asking for ice cream for breakfast? Yeah. I see you on TikTok. Don't be shy now. You be on TikTok doing all the dances.
I don't want to do it right now.
You don't want to do it? You got your professional camera. Huh? Y'all, there is so much going on. There is so much going on that I don't even know how I'm gonna chop and edit this vlog, because it's been literally here, there, and everywhere. But right now I am headed to the nail shop. I think maybe in this vlog you may have seen that I attempted to do my nails myself, y'all. I did them literally the night before the wedding, the evening before the wedding, and by the wedding I had 4 fingers missing, 4 nails missing, okay? I am going to give my DIY nails a rest. I was doing so well when I was doing Gel X, because Gel X, the adhesive is stronger, and they last literally, I could wear my nails for like a week and a half, 2 weeks before doing them. And then I realized I was allergic. I built up an allergy to the UV gel glue. So now I was trying to, you know, look online, find out ways to make regular press-on glue last longer, and it just hasn't been working. It has not been working. I don't know if it's because of all the movement I've been doing. So when I went back to Belize, I was moving around, going here, going there, eating this, eating that. So I'm using my hands a lot, and they kept popping off there too. And I don't got time for y'all. I'm going on this vacation soon. I want to be relaxed. I am treating myself, and I want this to be as zen as possible. I've had some challenges recently. I have, obviously you guys also know that I went back home for a funeral, so that has me hypersensitive, on top of it being my dad's the anniversary of his passing is coming up while I will be on vacation. I didn't even think about that, but you know, I'm in a very vulnerable mood. So I want to make sure when I go that I am not worried about aesthetics. I want to do everything I can from here to make sure that when I get there I am good. So yeah, anyway, so we're headed to the nail salon. This is the first time I'm going to be trying this, so fingers crossed, y'all. Fingers crossed that they do a good job, and maybe I find a new place that I can go to and rely on. Otherwise, it's going to be back to trying to figure out how to do my nails myself, because it is therapeutic doing them myself. It's just that I can't make them last, and this 2-3 day, you know, use of nails and then they pop off, that's just not going to work for me. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I will check in with you guys a little bit later.
learn. Did I pause the device you expected?
Yes, loud self, girl. Hey y'all, so I'm still in my bonnet. I showered, I changed, I did all that good stuff, but still in my bonnet. I did get some of my packing done. I'm not even packing like I normally pack. For those of you who watch my previous vacation prep videos or travel prep videos with me, you would know that I tend to pack all my stuff in one of these vacuum seal bags. However, it was zoomed in, that's weird. Anyways, however, this time I was like, I ain't got time for all that. I really don't. I don't care. I threw some stuff in here. I usually try to, you know, have my outfits, try them on. Not this time. Not this time. I have a few things that I literally just, they're in there. Okay? They're in there. I put my shoes in there, my sandals. I need to put my gym shoes because I am wearing my flat ones. Oh, I gotta do laundry. Every time I pass that guest room, I keep forgetting that I have to. I keep forgetting that I have to take the linen off that bed and vacuum that room before I leave. Yeah, guys. So that's what I have going on. Semi-packed. I got the bulk of stuff. I should make a list of my toiletries. Matter of fact, let me work on that now so I could just put that in my carry-on. So yeah, I'm just gonna refill my body wash, my conditioner, and I want to throw a wig in my luggage because once this hair starts getting wet, because my hair is partially straight, once this starts getting wet though, we're gonna move to curly. So oh, and I gotta take my detangling brush. I got a lot to do. I should make a list. I really should. I really should. Hello guys. I know. Horrible vlogging for like the last, what, month? 2 months maybe? It's been real bad. I ain't gonna lie. I know it has been. But I am currently on the first leg of my vacation. I had to do an overnight stay in Louisville. So that's where I am currently. And I'm excited, yo. I'm excited. It's my first solo vacation. I don't know if I've mentioned where I'm going yet because this is a separate vlog. I need to end off the bits and pieces of so-called footage or vlogging that I've been doing. I just try to combine them. Y'all know I try to make them as cohesive as possible. But yeah, so I'm coming on to kind of just close that out. I got scared for a second, but I forgot I put my leftovers from the airport in the microwave because my appetite has kind of been shot lately, but I need to eat because I'm not trying to get sick on this trip. That was a mouthful. But anyways, I'm happy. I am so happy. I had a sense of anxiety before, but I think all of the stuff that I've been going through, especially with, you know, going back home for the funeral, just a whole lot of drama, I have kind of just realized that I'm taking this time for myself, not for nobody else, for myself. So yeah, anyways, that's annoying me, so let me go get that out the microwave. As I was saying, I have been, okay, adjust. I have been, anyways, I'm excited. I'm here. I'm grateful that I'm about to go on this journey, but I am just using today as like the ending of this week's vlog, which is probably gonna go up sometime tonight, hopefully, but I can't make no promises. But thank y'all for rocking with me. If y'all have been here through this little inconsistent stage or phase that I'm in, I appreciate you for still rocking with me. Trust me, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. Of course, I will have a whole vacation vlog for you guys, giving you the tea on where I'm staying and the country that I'm visiting and how it is as a solo traveler on my end. Also, this was supposed to be a prep with me for vacation video. Y'all, I know for a fact I forgot my glasses. So it's gonna be all contacts this entire trip, which is fine. I have like 3 different pairs, but I like taking my contacts off at night and, you know, being in bed and watching TV. And now it's just gonna be right before I go to sleep, I got to take my contacts out because I hate sleeping with my contacts. So yeah, there's that. I'm realizing that at some point my hair is going to get wet and it's going to revert to curly, and I don't think I brought any curly products. I brought conditioner, like a little bit of deep conditioner. So I don't know, I might have to go to a beauty supply where I'm going, because I'm gonna need a little something to give the curls, you know, a little definition. Especially, I don't want my hair to be looking dry. So yeah, all of that. I might have to make a trip to the downtown area and see what I can get, because clearly I don't know what kind of prepping I did. I literally just threw stuff in and packed. So there's that. Anyways, I'm about to go nibble on this food because I'm still not super hungry, but I have to go back downstairs because I forgot my water downstairs, and I'm gonna see if they have any other drinks that I can get, like juice or stuff like that. So yeah, let's do that. All right guys, so I decided that since I am in this room, I could give y'all a little room tour. Oh, this lighting sucks. I could give y'all a little room tour because it's actually quite nice. It is one of the Marriotts. I am in a suite. So yeah, let's go. I do have a little bit of a mess, not too much, but y'all know I got my stuff in the corner, so here we go. All right, so they have like this little, it's not even really a kitchenette, it's just like a coffee station, refrigerator, there's a microwave in there, and then, well, here's the door, guys. So as soon as you walk in, that's what you see. You have a nice size couch with a TV dinner stand or a portable desk, I guess. Of course, you have your stationed desk with your chair, my carry-on, my book bag, all that stuff is over there, so excuse that mess. Well, the TV is over here and it is swinging, so if you wanted to chill in the couch and watch TV, you could, or of course, what I'm gonna be doing is laying in bed and watching TV. And the view is nothing. This is definitely an airport property, so the view ain't much to see. Bathroom, I did wash my hands as soon as I came in, so hence the towel being right there. And then your standard shower and toilet. So yeah, anyways, let's go explore, let's go downstairs and get some, I was gonna say some snacks, but I might get a snack for later because I don't know how hungry I'm gonna be. What time is it? It's 5:15. My goal is to be to bed by like 8:30 because I have to wake up around 3:30, being realistic. Yeah, around 3:30, so that I can go downstairs and get the shuttle. So yeah, I'm going to go downstairs and get some water. Maybe I'll get a juice or something. But I know I passed their little concession stand down there. I was hoping there would be like a vending machine. Am I old school for wanting a vending machine? Like, isn't that normal? Like, you know, on every floor there by the ice machine, there's a vending machine. Am I tripping? Or is everything just kept downstairs now? But anyways, let's go downstairs. See, normally there would be a vending machine right here. Like, at this point, I'm just being nosy because she said there's a pool and a fitness area. And I want to say the pool closes at 10, but the fitness room is 24 hours. So maybe I'll go on the treadmill. Is anybody in the pool? Nope, there's no one in the pool. And the fitness room is just like treadmills and weights. We'll see.